Hello, you are welcome to today's class, and in today's class we'll be looking at our binary number system. And when we talk about binary number system, we are referring to base 2. So we have different number system. We have base 10, base 5, base 8. In base 10, you only have from 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 figures. But in base 2, which is referred to as binary system, the two numbers exist. They are what? 0 and 1. So in today we'll be looking at how we can move from base 2 to another base, and now we can move from base 10 to base 2. So let's solve some couple of questions together. So first we'll be looking at how to convert from base 2 to 10. Now, I said earlier that in base 2 you only have two figures, 0 and 1. So let's assume you have something like this. Example 1, we have something like this: 1 0 1 0 base 2. And you are asking class to convert it to base 10. So what are you going to do? Step 1, you pick the number starting from this. You use to multiply your base. Our base is 2, so we use our 1 multiplied by our base, which is 2. Add it. Move to the next figure, which is 0. That will be 0 multiplied with our base, which is 2. Move on to the next one. That will be 1 times our base, which is also 2. Then you do what? 0 again. You need to multiply your base. Once you have done that, the step 2 now is that you start from the last, this part now, and you number it from 0. You have 0, 1, only on the base. Now we are dealing with base 2 now. Only on base 2 now. We're going to start from 0, 1, 2, then you have your 3. Once you have done that, you can proceed by saying, you say 1. What is 2 raised to power 3? 2 raised to power 3 means 2 times 2 times 2. 2 raised to power 3 is 8, plus you have 0 times 2 raised to power 2. What's 2 raised to power 2? That will be what? That will be 4. Then plus 1 times 2 raised to power 1. What's 2 raised to power 1? That was 2. Plus 0 times 2 raised to power 0. That's 1. And 3 raised to power 0 is what? Is 1. Then you can proceed by saying, what is 1 times 8? Your 1 times 8 is 8. Plus 0 times 4. Let's multiply by 0 will give you 0. Plus 1 times 2. That's what? That's 2. Plus 0 times 1, 0. So 8 plus 0, 8 plus 2, 10. 10 plus 0, 10. So our final answer is 10, 10 base 10. 10 base 10. Let's solve another example so that you can have a rough understanding of how to convert from base 2 to base 10. And let's assume you have something like this. You are having 1, 1, 1, 1, 0 base 2. So solve it. The first step, use the digit to multiply the base. I think from the first digit here, the first digit here is 1. So I'm going to do 1 times 2. Once you have done that, go to the next one. The next digit is also 1. You need to multiply it by saying 1 times 2. See, add your plus. Go to the next one. 1 times 2. Put your plus. You have your 1 times 2. Put your plus. 0 times 2. Once you have done that, you know that we are dealing with base 2 now. So you start from the last one, you start numbering it at index or at power level exponentially. Start with 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Once you have done that, you can go to step 3 by asking yourself, 1 times 2 raised to power 4. What is 2 raised to power 4? That is 2 times 2 times 2 times 2. 2 raised to power 4 is 16. Plus 1 times 2 raised to power 3. What is 2 raised to power 3? That will be what? That 1 times 8. Plus 1 times 2 raised to power 2. That will be 4. Plus 1 times 2 raised to power 1. That will be 2. Plus 0 times 2 raised to power 0. In case you don't know, anything raised to power 0 is what? Is 1. So 2 raised to power 0 is what? 1. So we move on by saying, what is 1 times 16? 1 times 16 is 16. 1 times 8 is what? 8. 1 times 4 is what? 4. 1 times 2 is 2. Then 0 times 1 that will be 0. So you add it together. What is 16 plus 8? 16 plus 8 is 24. 24 plus 4, that will be 28. 28 plus that will be 30. So our final answer is 30 base 10. 30 what? Base 10. So we are going to another subtopics. Now we have learned how to convert from base 2 to base 10. Now what if they interchange it? You are in class and you are asked not to convert from base 10. From base 10 to base 2. That's where it's going. conversion from base 10 to base 2. So we are going to deal with a couple of questions together. Now let's assume that the first example here, we have to change 89 base 10 to base 2. How do you do that? You just use your division in SCM method. You divide with 2. How do you do? Step 1. Draw your line. Draw it like a table. Put your 89 here. Since you are converting to base 2, divide with 2. Now we're going to start now. 2 in 8 is what? How about 4? What is 2 in 9? 2 in 9 is 4. Remainder 1. Remainder. Always remember to put your remainder 1. Draw your line again. 2 in 44. How many 2 can you see in 44? That would be 22. Our remainder is what? Our remainder is 0. Write your 0 there. Then 2 in 22. What's your 2 in 22? That would be 11. Remainder what? We have 0. Then 2 in 11. That would be what? That would be 5. But you have a remainder. 2 can go 11 5 times remainder 1. Then we have 2 in 5. Our 2 in 5 is what? 2. Remainder 1. Now 2 in 2. That's what? 1. Remainder 0. So you still move on. Can 2 go in 1? You have 0. That will be remainder 1. So you pick it from the lower part up like this. And we'll start with 1. Then 0. Then 1. Then 1. You have 0, 0, 1, base 2. So that's how to convert from base 10 to base 2. Let's assume you are given something like this. Let's go another example. Let's do example 2 now. We are asked to convert 43 base 10 to base 2. The first step is draw your line like this. Put the 43 by dividing with 2, right? Remember that you have to write your remainders. Now 2 in 43, 2 in 4, that will be 2. 2 in 3, that will be 1. Remainder 1. Once you have done that, 2 in 21, that's what? That's 10. Remainder 1. 2 in 10, that will be 5. Remainder 0. 2 in 5, that will be 2. 2 in 5, that will be 2. Remainder 1. 2 in 2, that will be 1. Remainder 0. Now, can 2 go in 1? No. You stop when you get to 0. 2 in 1 is number, so you write 0. Remainder 1. So how do you write your numbers? How do you get your answer now? You pick it from the lower part going up like this. So that will be 1. We put this one. 0. Then you have your 1. You have your 0. Then you have your 1, 1. Everything in base 2. So that's how to solve that, how to convert from base 10 to base 2. So in today's class, we have shown you how to convert from base 2 to base 10 and how to convert from base 10 to base 2. So if you are having an issue or any problem with any question, you can write it in the comment box. If you are yet to subscribe to this channel, hit the subscribe button and don't forget to like and share. Thank you. Bye.